This is my normal sanding paper. Cheap generic stuff off of Amazon. Get it in big boxes. It works okay. But I am going to test some SpeTool sanding net discs. I've never used a net disc before, and I don't see these used on lathe work very often. So I think this is going to be kind of a cool test. So I normally go for something like a 180 to start off with. Let's see how this is going to work. So here's the old-fashioned way. Here's the new. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, that 180's got a nice grip. I can really tell the difference. Let's see, nice grip. Go around that. That looks like it's, looks brand new pretty much still. All right, so 240. Oh yeah, that is ready for finish. Wow, that's sweet. I did not expect that to be so successful. But that worked really good. I'm guessing this 320 is going to leave this super smooth. Nice. Oh yeah, I'm sold. That's good stuff. I want to take a closer look at these, but I can already tell these sanding nets worked fantastic. These are smooth as glass. And I think I want to turn another one just to run the whole cycle through the test again. If you've watched my channel very much at all, you know I make a lot of these dessert spoons. They're quick and easy and fun to turn, and it turns out they're a really good test for this sandpaper. Okay, took about 3 minutes to turn that. Now let's run through these grits, 180, 240, and 320. But I get through them all in about 30 seconds. And that's one more handle that's smooth as glass. Thought of another way to test these here. I've been using this water-based poly spray, which raises the grain a little bit. So I can come back with some 240, scuff them up before I put on a final coat, and then assemble these. And even though I'm speeding through this assembly process, you can see these came out really nice. And the sandpaper worked perfectly. I know SpeTool has a lot of other products, and I bet they're all as good as these. So SpeTool, welcome to the family. Found a spot for your sticker on my air tank. Looking forward to the next test.